Alright everyone, this is another short update on how I'm progressing with my 3D model or 3D representation of the Carpenters Tool Chest I'm refurbishing. I bought this tool chest a week or two ago off eBay, and yeah, I'm doing it up. It was painted black. I'm taking it back to the bare wood and varnishing it now. I've decided that I will go ahead and replace the plywood or plyboard base and the plywood lid and a top trim here. I'm keeping the original brass hinges, and you can see that I have them modelled here in place. The support strut here has all oops, sorry about this. The support strut has been modelled and shows the correct positions of the recesses for the hinges. In the actual real life box itself, this curved surface is also shown throughout the length of the support strut here, but I'm not bothering. Well, I could do that, but it's just going to make the hinge look wrong, so I'm just going to leave that as it is. I don't see any problem with it like that. It should have the same functionality as it would normally. Excuse me. So what's left to do? I've got to model the handle. There's two clips here which are retained by two small bolts or screws which go through from the front, and nuts tighten up on the back side of it, and that would hold a thin leather strap handle which is reinforced with a metal liner inside it. I'm going to use a belt to create a new handle for it at some point when I track down one of suitable strength. The other thing that has to be modelled yet is the the case clips or latches. One goes here roughly, and the other one is over here, and they have a sort of hook arrangement which hook onto the lid, and then you pull the lever down which retains the lid in the closed position in a sort of fairly secure manner. That might take me a little bit of time to do. I wouldn't say it's particularly complicated, but it is somewhat involved. So the basics of the box have now been modelled, bar the retaining latches and handle. The next part after, well, I'll complete those parts first, and then after that I've got to start thinking and designing what I'm going to use this space inside the box for. Basically I'm going to use it for its intended purpose, and that's the storage of carpenter tools, but I'd like to make compartments, trays and areas to store specific tools. The base of the box, depending on how you look at it, the box can be either used in this orientation with the handle here, but I've noticed in the refurbishment of the box that this back face here has incurred quite a lot of scoring and indentations, which basically leads me to believe that the entire box, hold on, is generally used in this orientation. Okay, so you've got the handle up here, you carry it around with you, and if you wish to open it, you set it down like this and you unlatch it and you open it. So that adds another factor to consider in how you want to utilise the space inside it. The lid I'm intending on using as a storage area for saws. I've seen that on a number of examples of these types of chests on the internet, and inside this bottom area would be used to store some of your heavier items, and then you could have drawers or compartments which slide outwards in this upper area. However, if we go back to the previous orientation, I'll just do that way, it's quicker. I could have extra liners in here and here, or indeed all the way around, and then have a tray which lifts out, with various compartments, and then a hidden compartment underneath for the larger components. So I've got a little bit of thinking to do about that, and that will just take time, and I'll do it when I get round to it. So yeah, that's my short update for the moment, folks. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.